how to use the as little, a full in Cantonese and Kongtonese, along with the. Example 1. Really, it is truly so for a little only. Example 2. Really, it is truly some for little only. Example 3. Really, it is truly all for a little only. Vocabularies. Special vocabularies. Gum means so, search. Note, that is a long vowel. This is a standalone vowel in genuine Cantonese and Kongtonese, and not a short vowel of or as false claim by the seen imperialists in China, who are trying to false claim and distort Cantonese pronunciation in order to fit into their song dictations in the instruction medium yet Chinese. The means a little, a fool. The means some fool, some little. The means awful or little. Ga, the emphatic particle. Ja, the limitation particle. That means only that.